Third year English lecture number 62, topic the bear, page number 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Third year class students, how are you all? I hope beta you all fine and I say welcome to all of you in my class. And beta, let's start our play. As you know that beta Popova, who was the landlady of the house, she was in a mourning condition because her husband had died 7 months ago, and her servant Luca, he advises her to come out of the house and meet other people and go to her neighbors and have some walk. So he's saying this in order to, because he wanted to his mistress be happy and get married with a person. Popova. He was so fond of Toby, he always used to write on him to the curtains and lassos how well he could write, what grace there was in his figure when he pulled at the reins with all his strength. Do you remember? Toby, tell them to give him extra food of oats. Now beta, she is remembering that her husband used to write on Toby. Toby is the name of the horse, as I previously told you. That and he loved her husband. He loved that horse. That's why beta she orders again and again to get him extra oats कि उसको ज़्यादा चारा दे खाने के लिए, because he was his husband's favorite horse and he went in different places for riding. ठीक है, वो सवारी करता था मुख्तलिफ जगहों पे जाके, and that's why she is remembering him. Luca, yes madam, a bell rings noisily. Okay बेटा, वो कहता है okay. So in the meanwhile there is a bell rings. Popova shaking. Who is that? Tell them that I receive nobody. उसको बताओ कि मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती. I don't meet anybody. Okay. Luca, yes madam. Exit. He leaves. Popova looks at the photograph. You will see, Nichols, how I can love and forgive. My love will die out with me only when this poor heart will cease to be. Now beta, she is talking with the photograph of her late husband and she says him that how I can love and forgive. किस तरह से मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करती हूँ, मैं माफ़ कर देती हूँ. My love will die out with me. So my love will finish when I will finish. Mean to say, my love will only die when I will be dead. So only when this poor heart will cease to beat, it will finish to beat. Laughs through her tears. And aren't you ashamed? I am a good and virtuous little wife. Mean to say that he has died, but still she is complaining that I am a very good and virtuous. Virtuous mean pious, नेक, noble. ठीक है, मैं बहुत ही अच्छी वाइफ हूँ. But aren't you ashamed? तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? I have locked myself in and will be true to you till the grave. And you, aren't you ashamed? You bad child, you deceived me, had rose with me, left me alone for weeks on end. So beta, as you know that this is the hypocrisy of, or you can say this is the duality of the character of Popova, that she, although she had a lot of complaints regarding her husband, but she you can say she is in the mourning condition. And why she is mourning condition when she has so many problems with her husband? It's mean that she just wants to show off herself that how loyal and how pure she is. He just tried to prove her innocence. ठीक है, वो अपनी innocence साबित करना चाहती है और अपनी loyalty साबित करना चाहती है. That's why beta she is in this condition. And other than, as we know that in previous lecture, she told Luca that her husband, he was not faithful to her even. So she still wants to be his widow, and she still want to mourn on his death forever and ever. Okay beta. Me alone for weeks on end. Luca enters in consternation. Consternation mean in dismay, परेशानी में जो है ना बड़ा जो है ना वो परेशान होके आता है. Luca, madam, somebody is asking for you. He wants to see you. Asking for you mean to say somebody wants to meet you. Popova. But didn't you tell him that since the death of my husband, I have stopped receiving? That hadn't you told him that after the death of my husband, I don't meet anybody Don't you tell him? Luca, I did, but he wouldn't even listen. Says that it's a very pressing affair. Pressing means urgent, important task. That he wants to meet the mistress for an important task. Papova, I do not receive. कहती जो भी है I won't receive. मैं फिर भी उससे नहीं मिलूँगी. Luca, I told him so, but the devil curses and pushes himself right in. He is in the dining room now. Beta, he is saying that now. Luca, he is very disturbed that the devil Simonov, he has entered into the dining room by pushing him. ठीक है? Papova, annoyed, very well, ask him in. ठीक है? Okay, annoyed means she is angry at the behavior of Simonov, and she ordered her servant to let him in. What manners? Exit Luca. How these people annoy me. What does he want from me? Why should he disturb my peace? Now beta, she is talking to herself that what manners? How rude the person is. What does he want from me? How these people annoy me. कितने ये लोग मुझे disturb करते हैं. How much I am disturbed by these people. What does he want for me? Why should he disturb my peace? क्यों उसने मेरा peace खराब किया है? Why he is disturbing me? Sighs, no. I see that I shall have to go into convent after all. Thoughtfully, yes, into a convent. Enter Luca with Simona. So beta, she decided that she should leave the house and she would settle in a convent. ठीक है, convent में चली जाएगी, वहाँ पे जाके रहना शुरू कर देगी. So beta, Simonov, he has entered into the house. Simonov to Luca, you fool, you are too fond of talking. Yes. कहते तुम तो बहुत ज़्यादा बोलते बेवकूफ़ गधे. Sees Popova and speaks with respect, madam. I have the honor to present myself. I am Grigory Stefanovich Simonov, landowner and retired lieutenant of artillery. Artillery means army. Okay, I am retired landowner and I am a landowner now and I am retired lieutenant. ठीक है, I am compelled to disturb you on a very pressing affair. He said that I wouldn't come here, but I was compelled to see you because the problem was very much urgent. So the Pova, not give him her hand. What do you want? So she doesn't shake her hand with him, and she asked him plainly that what do you want, Simonov? Your late husband, with whom I had the honor of being acquainted, died in my debt for 1,200 rubles. On 2 bills of exchange, as I have got to pay the interest on a mortgage tomorrow, I have come to ask you, madam, to pay me the money today. So beta, Simonov, he told Popo that her late husband, he credited him 1,200 rubles. ठीक है, acquainted me, whom I am familiar. ठीक है, जो मेरा वाकिफ़कार था. So he said that he had taken him 1,200 rubles and he had to pay the interest on that money. So that's why beta, he has come here in order to collect the money that was taken by Popova's husband. So let's see beta what happens next. It's enough today's lecture, and I hope that you have well understood. It's very light and humorous, you can say, play, and you will feel very delighted while studying upcoming events that we will see while studying this play. So beta, I hope you have all understood, and if you find any difficulty you can ask me, and I will wait for your feedback. So beta, till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and remember, and all of you remember with your praise. Okay.